Look at that. Yo, what is up, YouTube, man? Look where we at. Look where we at. We back at it again with another banger, bruh. I said I'm being consistent, man. I'm gonna try my best for y'all, man. Y'all showing love. I gotta show love back. It's only right, man. Pete the Hat, LA, man. You know the vibes. We out here in that FL though, man. Big boy, Florida. Big boy sun is beaming, man. Summertime. Ooh, sheesh, I'm about to turn chocolate in this bit. Dang. But man, guess what, man? Y'all clicked on the video. Y'all read the title, so I know what y'all want to see. Bada bing, bada boom, boy. Look at that box, bro. What's inside the box? You don't even know. I don't even know. But we gonna find out. Man, y'all like, subscribe, share the video, tap in. Mess with the recent. I was just at Replicon, man. I gotta vlog some more, man. But let's get into it. You already know we're gonna review the shoes. We're gonna do some on foot. Y'all like that on foot action? We got you. I got you, man. Tune in, man. Tap in. Let's get it. What we have inside the box is a Retro 4 infrared, man. These so clean. Low-key slept on. They fire, bro. They clean. Look at the box. You can already tell, bro. That little concrete cement going on, man. Sheesh. All right, so y'all know my shoe size by now. I got these in a men's 10.5. They fit true to size. Like, I could have gotten 11, but I don't like my shoes big. I don't like them to crease on me. I wear a 10.5 in ones. I wear a 10.5 in retro 3s. I wear a 10.5 in mainly almost every other shoe besides Converse. But yeah, I got these in 10.5. They fit good. I don't really own a lot of 4s. I got the Motorsports. That's about it. So I'm just happy I snagged these for retail. Shout out to FINISHLINE, bro. They called my phone. It said FINISHLINE. I'm like, who is that? Obviously, it's FINISHLINE. I'm like, wait, hold on. Did they say I lose? Did they call me to say I lose? Bruh, they called me and say, we got your pair for you. Come pick it up before 3. You know, I had to drive by, snag him off him right quick. Yes, sir. Retail. Man, look at that. 10.5. Retail was $200, bro. A couple years ago, Retro 4s were about $190, and like special pairs were like $220. Correct me if I'm wrong, but ain't nothing wrong with that. 200. Caught him. $215 total. That's what it came up to with tax. But man, y'all ready to see the shoe, right? Let go. You guys can see we have the box right here. The size tag 10.5. You guys want to look at that? But man, let's bust these boys open, bruh. Whew. Look at that. Oh, yeesh. OMG. Hold on, bro. Fabulous, bro. Look at that. Yo, oh my gosh. Sheesh, bro. Moment of silence right quick. These things fire, bro. Oh my goodness. Whew. Bro, I'm gonna give y'all my personal opinion on these bad boys here, boy. Dang. I'm in love with the shoe. I don't have a lot of 4s, but 4s are like one of my favorite retros. Just the silhouette of the shoe just looks nice. Like, it pictures me of like a race car. Like, you guys know the driver's seat of the race car, like the window has this little thread right here. That's what I get out of it. It just pictures me of a race car for some reason. I don't know the backstory of the silhouette, but man, it looks nice. Let's break down the shoe right quick. You guys can see it did come with the left and right pair, obviously, but you know, when you guys walk out the shoe store, make sure that there is a left and right pair. It could be a factory mistake where they give you 2 lefts or 2 rights. So just check that. You know, most people, when they try on a shoe, they only try on one shoe. As far as I know, that's what I do, but always make sure, put y'all on right quick. It's a little scuff mark right there. I ain't even see all that. Whoa, I gotta return that bit and swap him out, bruh. Now I can cut that man with a Sharpie whole time. But yeah, it came with the left and right shoe fire. I'm just leave those right there. It came with tissue paper, and that was, I didn't even have to say that, but I'm just gonna say it. I do have the receipt right here. FINISHLINE, boy. Authentic, man. Stop playing with me, bro. You gotta keep your receipts. People, they be like, where the receipt at? When you trying to sell them and flip them, bro. right here, bit. I got that bit from the mall. Stop playing. And I do have my ticket. Says Finish Line on it with my size and number and stuff, so I'm not gonna put that out there. But yeah, that's what it came with. But man, let's break down the shoe right quick, bro. All right, guys, so let's break down the shoe right quick. So like the upper part of the shoe, like around the whole shoe, obviously it's like a nubuck material. When I say nubuck, just picture like a retro one mid. A lot of people have them. I have a few. It's like that soft, not suede, but suede like material. Like it's really soft. I don't know if you guys can see it. So yeah, it's a really soft shoe. So like a wolf gray, actually, the wolf gray 4s or the bread 4s, you know. I mean, mainly every 4 has this material. There's some with tumble leather, like my motorsport, you know, but yeah, so is that material. The midsole, oh my gosh, bro, that black right there, the air bubble is clear. The outsole right here, I'm just show you guys right quick. They got the colors from the shoe on the bottom. Look at the toe, that bit bleeding. Why that bit clean, bro? So yeah, and the inside, I'm gonna break down all that infrared right there. Got the shoe size, the tag in that bit, Air Jordan right there, the back panel, the Jumpman. This is a really clean shoe, bro. So yeah, the material, that bit really soft. So be careful. Like if it's a rainy day, don't wear these. They gonna get messed up for sure, unless you got some type of, you know, cleaning solutions that you guys use. But other than that, bro, rock these in the summertime. You know, do your thing, summer, fall, winter, spring, however you want to. This is a good pop, bro. It's casual colors. You can wear these with a lot. There's a lot of stuff that match these, but man, these are, whew. I'm glad I snagged these, but for retail, but I don't even know how much resale is, but I'll check on it for y'all. So dang. Broke down the shoe. Hope you guys understood it. Hope it was simple and sweet. You know what time it is, man. What time is it? Check your watch, man. Check that Apple Watch, man. Check your phone. It is on foot time. Let's get it, baby. Guys, I hope y'all like that on foot. That bit was clean, right? Man, y'all leave a like, subscribe, share the video. Check out the infrared 4s. Buy them online, buy them in store, however. Man, I hope y'all like the video, man. We gotta stay consistent. We gotta keep trying, keep pushing, man. You feel me? But y'all have a good rest of y'all day. Stay cool. It's hot as a bit. I'm wearing a hat and I'm still sweating. How that make sense, bro? But man, y'all keep it easy. Peace out, man.